Today, we're taking a close look at our 1979 D Washington quarter. Could this be a hidden treasure in your collection? Or is it just another common coin? Let's find out. Looking at this coin, we can see it's far from its original pristine condition. The details of Washington's hair are weak. The mint mark appears filled in, looking more like a square than a letter D, which stands for the Denver Mint. There are also noticeable nicks and bag marks on the lower part of the bust. On the reverse, numerous contact marks are present, though most of them are small. Additionally, there's some distracting patination around the letters A and R near the branch. Now, here's the big question. How much is a 1979 D quarter actually worth? In most cases, this coin is not considered particularly rare or valuable. It was minted in massive numbers, and even uncirculated examples are still widely available. However, condition is everything in numismatics. Up to high-grade mine. 1979 D quarter can be worth a surprising amount. In MS67 condition, auction records show values ranging from $114 to $1,078. But if you happen to own an MS68 specimen, now that's a different story. These are extremely rare, and PCGS has recorded only one known example at this level. That particular quarter, with flawless surfaces and a brilliant strike, was sold for an astonishing $5,464 at great collections auctions. So, if you have a 1979 D Washington quarter, take a good look at it. Is it free from major scratches and marks? Does it have a strong, clean strike with minimal wear? If so, you might be holding on to something valuable. Thank you for watching CoinAz. Make sure to like this video and subscribe for more insights into rare and valuable coins. Who knows? Your next discovery might just be worth a fortune. Double asterisk.